Hello, it's Janet and welcome to my Fast Friday card making series where I show a 3-minute card tutorial in a relaxing but informative format. Today is a tutorial for the MyScrapChick SVG cut file called Monster Love Pop. I shared the project in the Our Valentine hop that ends today, Friday, February 8th, and I've put the link to that video up in the right-hand corner of your screen right there. MyScrapChick files come with multiple cutting machine formats and a PDF file so you can print and fussy cut if you don't have a machine. I cut mine with my Cricut Explorer. The file makes a cute love monster that wraps around a Tootsie Pop sucker. I took it a step further and secured it on a 5x7 card base with abstract heart designer paper, and it's perfect for this casual theme. So now let's take a look at the cute candy Valentine that any little in your life is sure to enjoy. Thank you for visiting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this Fast Friday project. If you did, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and here's some other videos that you might like. That'll do it for me today. I'll see you soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye!